Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,450 in a row. We have a lot to talk about and I'm going to cover my progress so far, so let's get started. Bitcoin current price $22,888. Also, here's a quick glance at some of the other top 10 coins and tokens. Here is the amount of Bitcoin that we've accumulated during this period, 0.108, which is about $2,472 worth of Bitcoin, just buying $1 each day. Towards the end of this video, we'll do the math on this as well. One big thing to note that I talked about in a previous video is the Bitcoin halving clock. This is coming up in about 429 days, towards the end of March or April 2024. Basically, the amount of Bitcoin that's distributed every 10 minutes will be cut in half. So here's some previous data on the halving, which is these blue lines. You can see it often bottoms out and then the price will move up towards the halving and up afterwards. We can see that happening 3 times in a row. So definitely check out my previous video about that. I am using the Strike app to purchase Bitcoin and send it to my other wallet. You can sign up with the link in my description and get $5 for free if you haven't downloaded this app yet. But they have a browser extension and a mobile app that works essentially the exact same way. Earlier on in the experiment, I was using Cash App until I ran into some issues. So now I've been working with Strike, and in my opinion, it's much better, much smoother, a way more transparent company. So let's look at a chart real quick. So this is in 2018, this is in 2021. Now we've kind of trickled down to here. You can see some of these previous lines that I drew, like this one right here, kind of this wedge that we broke out of right there. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. So now we're still kind of in this falling wedge pattern, which tend to break up, but this run right here has been really quick, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it kind of come down and test these moving average lines a little bit. Another thing to note, every time we've gone up, it kind of just comes down more, you know? So will we see another leg down here? Hopefully not. But that's why we use the dollar cost average method, so we don't have to worry about these things, we just keep on buying. So that is the daily. I like to look at this 3-day a little bit. You can see we're running right into this moving average and the trend line on the 3-day. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little pullback. It's hard to think that we would just rip straight through this. And pretty much the same exact thing on the weekly chart. I'm coming right up into this trend line, which previously we haven't ever gone below for a full week. You know, this one went below it, it kind of ripped out of there pretty quick. But here we got kind of trapped under this moving average. So I don't know, maybe we'll form like a reverse head and shoulders pattern here. It's a common pattern you see when something will go up or down. I mean, you can definitely see one here. So me personally, I just expect a little bit of a pullback here, coming into some trend lines and moving averages. It just seems like that's what might happen. Addresses with over 1 Bitcoin. So we see this continue to rise very rapidly here at the lows. Actually, it did drop a little bit, like people are selling on this rise right here. So it's interesting to see. Looks like the top all time is 981,633 addresses that hold 1 Bitcoin or more. So hopefully we can see this continue to climb, maybe even reach 1 million addresses that are holding. That would be pretty cool to see. But yeah, that's kind of the data for today. Let's go ahead and buy my Bitcoin. Take a look here. We're going into the Strike app. We can click on the Bitcoin section. Remember, it's the exact same in the mobile app. I have about $3 of Bitcoin in here right now. Go ahead and click buy, type $1, next, and confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin, about $4 in there now. I'll just go ahead and transfer this out to my wallet. So that's something you can do with Strike, just buy it and then transfer it right away. Just go to the wallet that you want to transfer it to, click copy, open this back up. My recording might be cutting this off a little bit, but there's an arrow right here at the top. Just click on that, paste in your address, click max, and confirm. There's no fee or anything like that for buying or selling or transferring. And now that Bitcoin is on its way to my wallet, there was about $4 there. Let's go ahead and refresh this. So $2,477, we'll just say 2,000 $1,481 divided by 1,450 days equals 1.7x on my investment. So doing very well, up over 70% right now. We'll go ahead and do the dollar gain. $2,481 minus $1,450 equals $1,030 gained. Love to see that. And yeah, there's the update for today. You can see I'm just buying this Bitcoin on Strike, transferring it to my other wallet. You know, a couple times a month, whenever I have like over $10 in there, I just transfer it. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.